The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood watch for Muskingum County through Friday morning. Several periods of thunderstorms will be likely ahead of a cold front that will slowly move eastward through Thursday night. Total rainfall area-wide will likely be 1 to 2 inches. However, where successive thunderstorms track over the same area, amounts over 4 inches will be possible through Thursday night. Some areas, creeks and streams are already running high from thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon. These streams may very quickly overflow their banks with additional thunderstorm rainfall. Reminder, a flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.